Hey, and Namaste. I'm Zay with Xude Yoga, and today we're going to be doing a 10-minute sound healing meditation to raise your vibration. So we're going to be using the Koshi chimes, specifically the fire and the air Koshi chimes, along with the rain stick. Now, while in this practice, just be and feel anything that comes up for you. Allow the fire to burn away anything holding you back from reaching your highest self, and allow the air to carry you towards your highest self. If you enjoy this practice, let us know in the comments below, and also feel free to leave an offering or a donation. Now, let's get into it. Let's start this meditation off in a comfortable position. You can lie back in Shavasana on your back. You can come into an easy seat with your legs crossed. I like to sit on the back of the heels. We are going to connect the thumb and the index finger together, opening up the palm, allowing the shoulders to fall back, the hips to slightly slant forward, lowering the jaw, loosening the tongue, focusing the gaze in between the eyebrows, and just being here. Allowing yourself to feel yourself in this present body with each breath, inhaling through the nose, exhaling out of the nose. And then beginning to envision a color that represents your highest self. Vividly see this color in front of you. Welcome it, acknowledge it. Connect with this color and know that this is you. You are a mirror image of your highest self. Continuing to take deep inhales and exhales. Allowing the air to carry you towards this light, towards this color of choice. Beginning to feel the body vibrate. Beginning to feel the mind vibrate. Beginning to feel the mind vibrate higher. Beginning to feel the body vibrate higher. Allowing this light to move with you, to move through you. Feeling all you need to feel in this moment. Letting go and removing anything that's in the way from you reaching this light. Feeling yourself reaching out, Feeling the texture of this color, the texture of this light. Allowing this color to surround you. Allowing this color to become you. Each inhale ascending, raising higher, vibrating faster. Acknowledging all of the bliss, all of the peace, and all of the love that surrounds you, all that is within you. With each inhale, ascending even higher. Being present with your body where it's at. Finding peace and stillness wherever you are. Now with each exhale, like the rain, beginning to descend, coming back down to the earth. Taking your time, moving as slow as you would like. Acknowledging everything from above. Being at peace with what you see, knowing that you are all one. You are one with everything that surrounds you. You are whole. What you deserve. Just like the rain, making your way back down to the soil, feeling the bottoms of your feet touch the earth. Coming into a nice, easy seat. Turning back to this present physical body. Placing the hands wherever you feel comfortable. Taking much needed breaths. And taking as much time as you need to wherever you are. Thank you for allowing me to guide you through this meditation. Thank you for showing up for yourself. And until next time, namaste.